In this video, we'll explore using the Component Cloud plugin within the design to manufacturing software, which provides access to a cloud database of over 3 million parts. Instead of building each component out personally, when a component is not included in your local database, it can be added from the cloud repository. The Component Cloud plugin requires the database editor to be open, which can be done by opening the Tools tab within DTM panel. Once the DBE is open, the Component Cloud plugin can be opened by clicking on the Component Cloud toolbar command. This toolbar can be hidden or shown by right-clicking the toolbar area and choosing it from the list. After signing into your account, the catalog can be accessed from the Component Cloud tab. It lists components by manufacturer. Each manufacturer is then sorted by family and then subfamilies. Each component when selected shows a 3D preview and details of the component itself. In addition to searching through the manufacturer, the search bar can be used to search for a selection of keywords, and then additional filters can be applied to reduce the results. Downloading the part will begin the import process, ending with it being added to your selected database. It will include any relevant symbols, models, and preview images with one download. Going back to the opened project, the database's configuration can be updated, which allows the new part to be found. Be sure to use the Component Cloud to reduce the time spent on part creation and improve efficiency.